Hello everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to create this interesting intro animation in Framer. So step number one, let me hide this animation and then let's remove the effects for the container as well. Next I'm gonna create a frame and then name it animation. Right click, create a component. And inside this frame, I'm gonna create a new one. Let's make it less wide, center it, name it image, and now move it outside the frame. Create a new variant, select the image, put it in the center, and create one more variant. And this time we are gonna use for the width and for the height relative 100%. Select the first variant, remove the fill, and now select the image from the first variant. Go to fill, switch to image, click on plugins, Lumi plugin, and look up for an abstract image. So this one is the one I want to use it. Alright, next select the first variant, drag the second one, click on appear, use a delay of 0.5, then drag the second variant to the third one, click on appear again and use the same delay of 0.5. So let's preview it. Okay, we have this jumping animation. That is because we need to select a third variant and remove this interaction right here. So now, as you can see, we have this. Alright, so what we can do actually to improve this, we can remove the bounce and increase the time maybe. Let's check it out now. Okay, I like this more, so let's go back to home now. Press Ctrl X, select the hero section and change the position to absolute, center it, change the width and the height to relative 100%, and now make sure that the z-index is 0 and then select the container and the z-index should be 1. So next click on effects and then go to appear. And here for the presets, I'm gonna use fade in and then opacity should be 0. Click on transition, remove the bouncing and increase the timing to 0.8 maybe. And then also add a delay of 1 second. And now let's preview this. Okay, this looks beautiful, but the text is way too fast. So let's increase the delay to maybe 1.5. Okay, so this is how you create an intro animation, guys, in Framer. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.